Today we're going to show you how to do the once a week clean of the VL223. This involves taking the whole tank off to clean underneath it and to clean all sides of the tank correctly. Make sure everything's nice and clean, ready to keep serving for the next week. I'm just going to show you how to take one bowl off. It's the same procedure for both bowls in this instance. If you've got a triple, you need to take all three off. So you're going to need a bowl of warm soapy water, you're going to need some cloths, and you're going to need a suitable area to clean all the parts of a sink with a water supply, warm water and soap. So the first thing to do is to switch the unit off. You can do this on the green button here. There we go. And then you need to switch it off at the mains and unplug it to make sure you're isolated from the electricity supply. Once that's done, remove the lid. Everything that we take off needs to be cleaned with warm soapy water and then rinse thoroughly, make sure it's very clean, ready to go back on again. So take the lid away, be cleaned. Then we need to empty the cabinet of any remaining juice that is in the unit. So of course, remember, never put new juice into old juice for food hygiene reasons. We just drain it out and dispose of. So there we go, we now have an empty unit ready to be cleaned. We can take the stirrer out, warm soapy water and rinse, give that a good clean. And then we need to remove the tap at the front. So the best way to do this, if you hold it at the top where it says Promek, and just support it at the bottom and then just twist anti-clockwise so it clicks. Bit of juice normally drains out with the remainder in there, that's fine, go into the drip tray. Let that drain a second, and then there's a little round section here, just hold that and pull the tap forward, you can just lift it straight out. Now take that away for cleaning. This little rubber bung just pulls off, better to dry it first before you pull it off. Give that a good clean on the inside and out. Clean with warm soap water, rinse, and now we've got a unit that we're ready to take the tank off. It's sometimes now worth just leaving it for 10 minutes to let this evaporator, this metal section, just warm up a bit. But get some nice warm soapy water, and what we're wanting to do is just make that metal column in the middle of that evaporator, just get warm soapy water on it. Don't worry about that draining out the front, that's just get caught in the drip tray. Make sure that evaporator in the centre, there's no ice on it at all, anything like that. It's warmed up a bit, but we've just got warm soapy water on it. Then grab it at the front and the back of the bowl, and what we're doing is gently with pressure, you can wiggle it a bit. Don't put your head over the top when you're pulling up, because if it suddenly pops up, which it sometimes does, you'll hit yourself in the face and it hurts. So don't put your head anywhere near it. Nice even pressure. If this white rubber gasket here starts to pop off, just gently lift it up, it comes out, it's not a problem, we've got to take it off anyway. So, once you've done that, you can take it away for cleaning, but you can just remove this rubber gasket there. So take that away to be cleaned, warm soapy water, clean the inside and the outside, make sure it's really clean. The gasket, again, make sure that's really clean, especially around here in this little part in the middle. Make sure that's clean all the way around. And once that's done, there's a little thin rubber section at the top that needs to be at the top. Just put it back in. So the seal goes in the middle, like so. And when you're putting this back in, if the seal starts to come out at all, you've got to lift it off and start again. There's nothing you can. If the seal starts to come out, you've got to start again. If the seal's not seated properly, the unit will leak. Once you've got all that ready, you've lifted the other bowl off. Damp cloth, bit of soap on it. You just need to clean this base section here. Make sure you're cleaning all around the base of the evaporator. This whole section needs to be cleaned, because during use, condensation forms on the outside of the unit because it gets cold, so condensation forms and it drips down the outside of the bowl and it drains into here, and there's a little drain hole at the front. So you need to make sure this is really clean, because for hygiene purposes, but also if it doesn't stay clean, you don't clean it regularly, you may get build-up of bacteria or other things like that which you don't want, and also it won't look nice. Give that a good clean. It's best to do this when both bowls have been taken off. Just visually check, make sure the drain holes aren't blocked, that's all fine. So really good clean of that, and wipe that off with a clean dry cloth. That should all be really clean. So once you've done all that, clean wet cloth, no soap on it, just make that evaporator, this metal pole in the middle, make that so it's got some moisture on it, and then take the bowl, just drop it over the top. Now you can wiggle it a bit, but just ease it gently down. Don't wiggle too much because you'll pull the rubber seal out. Just keep an eye on the seal as it's going down. You don't just push hard. Make sure it's sealed all the way around. If it starts to pop out, you're going to have to take it off and do it again because the juice will just leak straight out as soon as you fill it again. Take the drip tray off. Drain any excess out of there. Give that a good clean, warm soapy water, and then rinse. And then you're ready to put it all back together again. So drip tray back on. Tap. Make sure the Promek logo is at the front. Push slight angle. You see it's facing just there, and then click round like that. That's all good. You can also wipe down the front of the cabinet. Make sure any splatters are got rid of. Back as well. Put the stirrer back on. That'll just slot onto there. There we go. Tell it seated because you're near the motor, and it only turns in one direction. Now you're ready to refill with your juice. Put the lid back on. Plug it back in at the mains, and then you can just switch it back on there. And you're ready to serve drink again.